Hi everyone, I'm Paul Akers, author of 2 Second Lean. You're about ready to experience the audio-video version of my book. This project is a result of an idea from Dave Lalonic from Sticky RX. Dave, a good friend, said to me, Paul, everybody uses your book in their morning meeting. It'd be so cool to actually have some visuals of what you're talking about. Why don't you make a video version of your book? Too much work, Dave. I thought it was a great idea, but a lot of work, and I resisted, but Dave persisted. And I finally acquiesced and tried it. This is really the essence of 2 Second Lean and lean thinking. You see, most people don't naturally want to change, including me. Change can be difficult, uncomfortable, and often time-consuming, and it takes a lot of extra work. But this is the key. That change and extra work can improve the quality of your life dramatically. So understand at the outset, change is not necessarily natural, but is extremely beneficial for those of us who want to have a rich and exciting and meaningful life. Indeed, you're experiencing the benefits of that change and continuous improvement right now. So let's get started. So thanks, Dave, for a great idea and a great improvement and for pushing me like you always do. Welcome to my world of extreme lean thinking. Once you've experienced the vast benefits of lean, you will crave it, want it, and do anything to get it. Because lean thinking has made an enormous difference in my life, personally and professionally. I wanted the title of this book to convey how attainable it is to build a vibrant lean culture. While there are many books on lean, I have yet to find any that are fun. My mountain bike buddies would say it's sick. In fact, when I went looking for books and websites to recommend to people, all I found were books filled with complicated diagrams and business school theory and speak, definitely not the fun lean that I've come to know and love. This book is not intended for MBAs or those interested in manufacturing theory or flowcharts. No way. This book is intended to blast open the doors of opportunity for people who want to improve their daily life, be it in their workplace or home. Lean is not as complicated as all the experts in textbooks make it out to be. Job security, I think that's why they do it. As you learn to incorporate a lean approach in your life, you will see that the more lean thinking you have in your life, the more you will enjoy life. Lean thinking has propelled my business from a small operation in my garage into an international multi-million-dollar enterprise. I have the most dedicated, fun-loving employees any business owner could hope for. I am living the American dream because someone shared with me the genius of lean thinking. Like my Japanese mentors, I wanted to pass the gift of lean thinking on to others and create a more prosperous and productive culture and cultures around the world. Lean thinking is fun and exciting. The ideas I have learned from my friends are tectonic. They changed my life. I have attempted to write a lean book that's short, visual, and simple. There are plenty of workshop, executive manuals, and textbooks on the market. I wanted to write a book that would make lean accessible to everyone, from homemaker to executive. As a personal habit, I read one book a week for my intellectual development. And I always play a little game after completing each book. I ask myself, what's the one thing? What's the one takeaway that would rock my world if I applied what I just read and spent 8 hours reading? I've incorporated this challenge at the end of every chapter by adding a summary called The One Thing. This summary will reinforce the main points of each chapter in the leanest possible way. At any time, you can quickly review and memorize the principles in each chapter. It's easy, it's fun. So buckle up for a high-energy ride as you begin to think and get lean. Boring lean books out. That drone on and on, fun lean in. Welcome to 2 Second Lean.